Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now. If you want to get a 3-digit rank in NEET PG, this is the video to watch out for. In this video, I have integrated strategies used by toppers to secure a 3-digit rank in NEET PG. This video is about NEET PG 25 and has all the updated details. The first point being building a very strong foundation. You need to read out from the standard textbooks, you need to read out from the clinical application of those topics. You need to make your own notes that are very crisp and easily revisable. Second point being consistency and revision. Daily revision routine is very important. If you keep reading, you will gain that dopamine every day of reading something new. But revising is equally important. If you don't revise, you will forget, and you know that you tend to forget even if you don't revise for a very short time before the university exams. Revision strategy. So you need to revise that thing at least 3 to 4 times before the exam to retain it in the best possible manner. Focusing on the weak subjects is really important so that you don't keep revising the same things that you already know very well. Mock tests and their analysis. Both giving the mock test and their analysis is really important. The first point being giving the mock test very regularly. I always encourage all of you to give mock test in the 9 to 12:30 session every Sunday and give it as seriously as possible. The post-test analysis is equally important, where you just don't give the grand test and move on. You analyze it, you revise it. 200 topics are there in every GT. Those same topics should not be ever wrong by you in your further grand test, even in the exam. And this grand test allows you to have very much a great idea of the management and the accuracy. You need to have a clinical approach, you need to have an integrated approach. These days, the questions always have, they start from anat, they go up to ortho, and they might finally ask a neurosurgery question. So your concepts, your basics, your base needs to be very strong, your foundation needs to be very strong, so that if you don't know anatomy and if they ask you ortho, then also you won't be able to answer, because the questions these days are very much integrated. You need to have a strong hold of all these subjects. Moreover, more important than that, you need to have a very strong understanding of the topics, so that we can always rely on our concepts and answer the same topic however twisted the question is successfully. Because these days the questions are very much integrated, the options are very close together. If you don't have your concepts right, you will be able to negate 2 options. That's what happened with most of the people this year, and the last 2 options will be very confusing. If you want to have a one-on-one guidance call with me, this is the number, this is the Google form that's given in the description below. Please fill out the Google form and we will reach out to you very shortly. If you can't fill the Google form, reach out on this number 91163 24253. If you read out on this number and say on WhatsApp, "Hi sir, I need guidance for NEET PG 2025, I'll give you a call back." Another very high point, you need to focus on the PYQs. The important topics still remain important, the medical and surgical emergencies still remain important, and that's what it's gonna be asked every year. Pancreas is important, appendix is important, so the important topics will always remain important. So you need to revise all of the PYQs very thoroughly. All in all, you need to keep yourself motivated, and for that you need to subscribe to the channel, because I will be your #1 motivator. I will help you crack that coveted government college seat, and that's a promise. Reach out to me and let's see what we can do to spark your preparation, to add that sizzle to your life and get that feather in your cap. All the very best, guys. Thanks for watching.